Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. I'm pumped. Today we are going to be unboxing the brand new Dell Pro 14 Premium. Now this is going to have Intel's Panther Lake, which is going to be Core Ultra Series 3. This is going to be a 14-inch notebook, super light. We've done a lot from a design perspective that we'll take a look. But let's jump into the unboxing. Cut the seal. Voila. Standard 65-watt adapter. Super light. Holy moly. You can feel it right away. Can't wait to take a look. Sweet. HDMI, USB Type-C Thunderbolts. Type A, Noble Lock, 3.5 mil, and then SIM card for your YWAN configs. Let's fire it up. Collaboration touchpad, zero lattice keyboard. Pretty sweet. So over here, my system is with Panther Lake, Intel Core Ultra 7 366H. This particular system was configured with 32 gigs memory, 1 terabyte SSD, and so forth. So over here, just doing a quick little AI demo. So using Audacity, I've got my music generation prompt over here, 90s pop track with bassy drums and synth. And this was the output. And then doing it with the 80s. What's cool is the software is going to pick up the NPU, GPU, or CPU, so an XPU strategy. Zoom is being leveraged here. A little magic trick. Let's bring it back. You'll see my mic get muted. Do I want to bring up the chat? Do I want to share my screen? And turn on video. A model loaded. This is the Quen 3.5 9 billion parameter model. So quick little prompt, how are you doing today? And this is all 100% directly on the device. Don't you love it? So just doing some darkroom testing with the OLED screen. Some more testing from the Artemis 2 mission, images from the NASA library, checking out the blacks. So we're doing some outdoors testing of the Tandem OLED screen. Still looks pretty awesome. Here we're doing some daytime testing of the Tandem OLED screen. Check out those colors. I am directly in front of windows. Looks awesome. So we're doing an audio test of the Dell Pro 14 Premium. I've got music playing, sounds awesome. Check it out. Doing some camera testing here, checking out the colors, the contrast. It looks pretty awesome. And there is a camera shutter, so if you did need to block your camera, you can certainly do that. So with that, thank you so much for taking the time to tune in. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and overview of the Dell Pro 14 Premium. This device over here, absolutely stunning. Take care. Thank you.